Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Radha Madam online classes. In chapter 8, our second exercise 8.2 is based on trigonometric ratios of standard angles. So, we have to know the values of standard angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. So, here is a table in which trigonometric ratio of standard angles are given. Here we write the angle, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and these are 6 trigonometric ratios. Sine, we indicate the angle by symbol theta. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now, how we find the values of these angles? So remember, you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the numerator and 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 in the denominator, and put the square root sign on all of them. Now you know 0 upon 4, 0 upon anything is 0 and square root of 0 is 0, and root 1 upon 4, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. It means value of sine 0 is 0 and value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is root 2, that is sine 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Here square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2, that is sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. In sine 90 degree equal to 4 upon 4, this is 1 and square root of 1 is 1. So these are the values of sine ratio for angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That is 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. If you remember these values, you can find all the other values. Why? Because in cos theta, you have to write these all values in the reverse order. It means that is the last value 1 is in the first column. In second value root 3 upon 2 is here, and 1 upon root 2 as it is, this 1 upon 2 is here and this 0 is here. It means by reversing the values of sine ratio, you get the values of cos ratio. It means cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2, cos 90 degree is 0. Now you have to find the value of tan theta. You know tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So by dividing these two values, you can get the value of tan theta. It means 0 upon 1 is the value of tan 0, that is 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2. This root 2 cancelled and remains 1 upon root 3. Again 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 cancelled, the value is 1. Root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2, 2 cancel and root 3 upon 1 is root 3. And any number upon 0 is not defined. We also write as infinity. Now remaining 3 ratios can be found by the reciprocal of these 3, because cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, sec theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, and sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So by the reciprocal of sin theta, you can find the value of cosec theta. By the reciprocal of cos theta, find the value of sec theta, and by the reciprocal of tan theta, find the value of cot theta. So the reciprocal of 0 is not defined. So value of cot 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3. And reciprocal of not defined is 0. So by reciprocal of tan theta, we get the value of cot theta. In the same way, by reciprocal of cos theta, obtain the value of sec theta. That is reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 2 upon 1 upon 2 is 2. And reciprocal of 0 is not defined. And similarly, by reciprocal of sin theta, get the value of cosec theta. The reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 2 upon 1, that is 2. Reciprocal of root 2 upon 1 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Before starting the exercise 8.2, you have to remember this table, and then next video we will discuss some questions of exercise 8.2 based on these ratios. Thank you, students.